these people, they were far behind in making good on their promises. So ito makita mga kaigsunan nga there's at a time inclined ni punhot mga kaigsunan mo na nabidasin siya niya po sa Pablo. Kung inyong tanawang sa Bible commentary, page 887, they had probably been due to the period of spiritual declension. So ang